The power rule of exponents, also called power to a power, is usually written as x to the power of a to the power of b is equal to x to the power of a times b. In real number terms, this would mean that 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is the same as 5 to the power of 2 times 3, or 5 to the power of 6. To see why this works, let's break it down. 5 to the power of 2 to the third power means 5 to the power of 2 times itself 3 times. Now, if you remember your product rule, you would know at this point you could add those together, 2 plus 2 plus 2, to get 5 to the power of 6. To really see this and break it down even further, if we break each of these apart, 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5. Same again here, and same a third time. So you can truly see we're multiplying 5 by itself 6 times. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is 5 to the power of 6. If you would like a more in-depth explanation for why and how this works, as well as some full examples, please click on the long-form video linked in the description below. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye!